In this video, we will talk about diesel particulate filter cleaning, DPF, and intercooler cleaning. When your DPF is malfunctioning and warning lights are displayed, you need to know that KRM Diesel now has the latest and most effective diesel particulate filter, or DPF flash cleaning machine, out there. This machine is made in Italy and is state-of-the-art. It flow tests, cleans and dries with hot air, all in one operation. This process also has little environmental impact, as the dust and odour are all contained within the cleaning machine. KRM Diesel is based at Ormo, which is central to Gold Coast and Brisbane. And this service is now available to all its customers, including mechanics. The results are all recorded within the DPF flash cleaner, and it prints an outcome report to allow the customer to view the before and after result. It clearly shows how successful the cleansing process was and how the airflow has increased after the clean. The clean restores the filter to between 98 to 100% of its original operating parameters. By using an oil and ash digesting enzyme, it takes approximately 30 minutes to clean one filter, but larger ones may take a little longer. The short time frame for this cleaning process means a DPF clean can be completed simultaneously with any regular service. The flash cleaner is capable of cleaning all DPFs in light commercial, heavy vehicles or machinery. Your vehicle may display warning lights, go into limp mode, or it may have very little power even though your foot is right to the floor, so this is a sure sign the filter is clogged. This normally occurs when the vehicle is doing frequent short trips, as short trip driving doesn't allow for the DPF to get hot enough to regenerate, and therefore you'll get an excessive carbon ash and PM10 exhaust build-up in the DPF filter. Just imagine having your DPF diesel particulate filter working and running to its original efficiency. That's money in your pocket, as no replacement filters are needed with this DPF flash cleaning equipment. Here are just some advantages of cleaning the filter. Regular cleaning helps extend the life of your filter, enhances fuel economy, boosts power and performance, and cuts down emissions and better for the environment. After DPF cleaning, you have an as-new system, and adding this very popular cleaning process to your services will be a wise and cost-saving decision. The best person to speak to is Carl Meadows from KRM Diesel, and undoubtedly your best option for DPF cleaning. Not only does he have cutting-edge equipment, but his knowledge and expertise as a diesel mechanic is second to none. With a fully equipped workshop, he offers the full servicing and repairs to all diesel-powered light commercial vehicles. There's also the option of diagnostics and repairs to all diesel fuel injectors, as well as ultrasonic cleaning and vapor blasting. The removal of the DPF from your vehicle can be done here in the workshop at Ormo, or you can drop it off, or you can also put the DPF on a courier. Just mention this online offer when you call or fill out the form on the website to request a quote, and you'll receive 20% off all DPF cleans. If you have any questions, go to the expert in the field. You can call 0401 677 233 or check out the website krmdiesel.com.au. Because KRM Diesel specialise in diesel mechanics and have over 20 years experience in the trade, allow us to get it right for you the first time. Don't be fooled with unqualified advice or shonky advertising. You know exactly what you want from your vehicle, so come to someone who delivers sound advice, quality products, excellent service and great value for money. And that's Carl Meadows.